Yes, hello children. I hope all of you are fine as well as your family members are fine too. So children, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 2, Food for Us, for class 2 social studies. Okay, so everyone, all the second class students, check out your reader page number 124. Lesson number 2. So today we are going to learn about protective food, balanced diet and meals we should eat every day. Okay, so yes, page number 124, protective food. What does it mean, protective food? So protective food means the food which protects our body. Okay, protecting in the sense which makes us healthy, which make our bones healthy. Okay, which gives us lots of minerals, isn't it? So every day we are eating different kinds of foods. Okay, it's not like that कि हर रोज हम सिर्फ दाल चावल ही खाते हैं. Okay, there are different types of cereals, there are different types of pulses. Not only that, vegetables, अगर किसी को चपाती और वेजिटेबल खाना है तो ऐसा नहीं है कि हम रोज सिर्फ एक ही टाइप का वेजिटेबल खाते. Every day at our house we prepare different types of vegetables, isn't it? So these different types of vegetables, these cereals, these pulses, how are they protecting us? What amount of nutrients, what amount of vitamins they are giving us? So let us see. Protective food. Vitamins and minerals protect us from diseases. So if a food contains vitamins and minerals, it means they protect us from diseases, different types of diseases. So in order to protect yourself from different types of diseases, we should eat that type of food which are good in vitamins and minerals. They make our bones strong, skin healthy and eyesight good. Not only that, the food which contains vitamins and minerals, they make our bones strong. These bones जो हड्डियाँ होते हैं उसे वो strong बनाते हैं. They make our skin healthy and they make our eyesight good. So for making eyesight good, we should eat green leafy vegetables, isn't it? Which whatever the green leafy vegetables, so much are there. Carrot is there. So this food, if you are eating it, it protects our eyesight. Okay. So fresh fruits, vegetables and milk are rich in vitamins and minerals. So which are the foods which are rich in vitamins and minerals? Like fresh fruits. You should not eat rotten fruits or vegetables. You should eat every day. You should eat fresh fruits and vegetables. So milk is also rich in vitamin and mineral. So every day you should purchase of good fruits, good vegetables, and that you should eat freshly. You know, sometimes we Indians, I can say yes, we have a habit कि जो रात का खाना बच गया हो वो हम सुबह भी खाते हैं. Okay, वो हम दिन में भी खाते हैं. It is followed in my house also. Sometimes it follows in my house also. But it should not be done like that. Okay, fresh fruit जब का जब ही बनाया हो, जब का जब ही खा लो, खत्म. इसके अलावा उसको अगर आप 2-3 दिन के रखने के बाद अगर आप उसको खाएंगे, so it is not good. You should not eat like that. Okay, because afterwards it is not fresh food and it can contains few germs, isn't it? So every day you should eat fresh fruits and vegetables so that you can have good amount of vitamins and minerals. So sometimes we eat fruits and vegetables raw, जिसे हम कच्चा भी खा जाते हैं, and sometimes we eat fruits and vegetables especially we cook it. Okay, हम उसे पका के खाते हैं. So few vegetables and few fruits we can eat, like carrot salad, as a form of salad we will eat, right? So that we can eat as a raw. Apples, fruits जितने भी वो हम उसे कुक नहीं करते, हम उसे ऐसे ही कच्चा खा जाते हैं, right? Then again comes to vegetables. These vegetables we sometimes few vegetables we need to cook. आटे को हम डायरेक्ट नहीं खा सकते, आटे की रोटियां बना के उसे सेक के हम तब रोटियां खाते हैं, isn't it? So these are the different types of fruits and vegetables. Like we can eat raw fruits and vegetables, and few foods we need to cook. So fresh fruits and vegetables, these are the items which we need to eat, which can increase the amount of vitamins and minerals in our body. So if you are having good amount of vitamins and minerals, it means you can protect yourself from different kinds of diseases. Okay children, so these are the different types of food which we should eat. You can see over here. Okay, there is radish, tomato, butter, rice, sugar, ghee, apple, mango, grapes, orange, walnut, etc, etc. So these are few protective food for you. It means every day you should eat this food. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट कि हर रोज़ हमें 10 सब्जियां खानी चाहिए, लेकिन हम जो एक सब्जी भी खाएं वो देखो कि आपकी वो सब्जी एंड आपका वो फ्रूट फ्रेश हो. Is that clear, children? So this is what protective food. Next, cooking makes them tasty and soft. Spices and sour fruits make our body more tasty. We should eat fresh and well cooked food. So why do we cook? We cook food in order to make the food tasty. If it is tasty, definitely we can have more, isn't it? So cooking helps the food to become more tasty. And if you add some flavors in that, spices, masale, mirchiya, so it makes the food more tasty, isn't it? इंडिया में हम बहुत सारे मसाले, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मसाले जैसे हम खाने में डालते हैं. सो जब वो मसाले डालते हैं तो डेफिनेटली वो खाना और ज़्यादा टेस्टी बन जाता है. और ज़्यादा टेस्टी बने तो यू नो वी लव टू ईट इट एवरी डे, isn't it? So every day, okay, you're using this different types of spices and sour fruits also, but you should eat fresh and well cooked. It should be well cooked, isn't it? Okay, और वो हमेशा फ्रेश होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आप वो बासी खाना खाएंगे so it can affect your stomach, especially it can affect your stomach. That's the reason few children will have a, you know, they have a complaints like my stomach is paining. Why do they have this thing? Because वो लोग शायद वो बाहर का खाने खाते हैं, एंड बाहर का खाना जब हम खाते हैं वो हमें पता नहीं है कि वो फ्रेश बना है या नहीं. ओके, सो दैट्स द रीजन इफ योर स्टमक इज पेनिंग, उसका सबसे पहला मेन रीजन ये है कि आपने कुछ गलत खाया है. ओके, दैट्स रीजन घर पे बनाओ, फ्रेश आइटम से बनाओ, एंड यू विल नॉट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ यू नो प्रॉब्लम, दिस काइंड ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स अबाउट योर स्टमक. Okay, children? Yes. Next is what? Balanced diet. The amount of food we eat daily is called our diet. Balanced diet contains each kind of food in proper quantities. Milk is a complete food. So balanced diet in the sense, it is a amount, it is a quantity which we are eating every day. Okay, it should not be like that कि हम 2 प्लेट खा लो, 3 प्लेट खा लो, बस लगातार खाते जाओ. अगर हम ज़्यादा भी खाएंगे so it can, you know, it can again upset your stomach. Okay, so in order to like just proper food और proper nutrients अगर हमें चाहिए तो उसके लिए हमें बैलेंस डाइट रखना चाहिए. लाइक सुबह के टाइम पे आपको जितनी भूख है आप उतना ही खाना. इसके अलावा आप उससे अगर ज़्यादा खाएंगे so definitely you will have vomitings and any other causes. Okay, so the amount of food which you are eating every day, that is called as our diet. So we have 3 diet charts like morning, evening, as a lunch and dinner. Okay, इसके अलावा आप और ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते. Sometimes if you are feeling hungry you can have snacks too, but you cannot eat more than that. And you have a timetable chart also that morning 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. you should have your breakfast. Then evening 2 o'clock you should have your breakfast. Sorry, afternoon 2 o'clock you should have your breakfast. Then again at the night before 8 o'clock you should have your dinner. ओके अगर थोड़ा सा भी टाइम ऊपर हो गया या नीचे हो गया, अगेन इट कैन कॉज, ओके, इट कैन कॉज समथिंग, इट कैन अपसेट योर स्टमक. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? बैलेंस्ड डाइट. Meals we eat. We have 3 meals in a day. In the morning we have breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day. Yes, so whenever you are going for a work, whenever you are going to a school, we will do breakfast. बिना खाना खाए हम कहीं नहीं जा सकते, क्योंकि अगर हम बिना खाना खाए कहीं पर भी गए so we cannot do that work. ठीक है, we cannot. अगर बच्चे भी, छोटे बच्चे भी बिना खाना खाए स्कूल में जाते हैं so they will feel lazy. बिना खाना खाने का उनको नींद आ जाएगी, या वो उनसे होगा ही नहीं कुछ समझना, या वो कुछ लिख भी नहीं पाएंगे. इफ वी टीचर्स ऑल्सो, okay, if we cannot have a breakfast in the morning, so when I cannot teach, I cannot stand, I cannot communicate with you people properly. So this is the important breakfast, this is the important food item which we should eat in the morning. Okay, so breakfast is very necessary, because if the breakfast is very good, it means you can do your work easily, smoothly, without any problem. So every day when you are having a breakfast, you should see that it is a fresh food. Eat fruits also, drink juice, drink milk also, so that your whole day will go in a smooth wise. Then afterwards, again in the lunch, we will have in the afternoon. We have lunch in the afternoon. Yes, you have a break, isn't it? You have short break, you have lunch time. So that at that time you will eat what? You will eat your lunch. So we have dinner in the evening. In the evening, what you will do? You will do dinner. Okay, so these are the 3 meals which we will eat: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so yes, sometimes if the person is feeling more hungry, they will have snacks also in the afternoon between 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, so at that time you can have snacks also. But if the person is not feeling hungry, so if they are eating these 3 meals also, that much is enough for them. It is not compulsory for them to have a snacks also. Okay children, yes, so today we have completed protective food, balanced diet and meals we eat. In the next session I will teach you about table manners. Okay, till then go through the lesson, understand it. Not only understanding, you utilize this. आप समझना ही नहीं है, समझने के साथ साथ आप ये चीज अपने पे इम्प्लीमेंट भी करो कि आपको कौन सा खाना खाना चाहिए और कौन सा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. डोंट ईट जंक फूड. ओके, एवरी डे यू सी कि आप जो घर में वेजिटेबल्स बनाते हैं, आप जो फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं वो फ्रेश हो. Okay, so this is not only understanding process, this topic is also useful if you utilize it. Okay children, yes, so we'll meet you in the next session. Till then, goodbye and take care.